Okay, show us what we got, dude. Wait, you gotta slow down. We gotta get our stuff first, dog. Whoa, what's up, Belt? Let's show them what we got out here, bro.
Jesus.
Oh, y'all wrapped them like garbage.
Yo, y'all still like 4 bumpers. I made some kind of discount, bro. Like, what's the discount code?
We're gonna need some kind of compensation.
Alright, so this
You got free gifts? Free gifts
Okay,
to pick out?
this one's mine?
Yes.
Okay.
No, this one is.
Oh, that one? Okay. All right, cool. Let's help her unload because she's tiny. This ain't gonna work out for her. As you guys can already see, I went ahead and just got another V2 bumper. It's something that I like OEM fitment. I wasn't gonna do a Stillen, ended up just doing a V2 again, but this time I actually got paint. We're not gonna look hood anymore. This man's gonna send his off, and yeah, we'll just figure this out. And it's a new day. Dude, oh my God, you don't care. She is savage. What the hell? Just going up. Dude, this, crazy. When she's lowered, she's gonna kill that car. Finally, now we're here. So bumpers, I'll get everything situated. Haven't put it on yet, but today, oh Lord, she parked so close. We're gonna be working on her brakes because her rotors sound like 2 robots fornicating, and that's when you know it's time to change it up. Plus, these rotors are they look like they might be eBay rotors, so it doesn't hurt to just put new brakes, new brake pads and rotors. But yeah, dang, dude, bro, you just freaking yeeted up here like nothing. I'm like, yo, you're crazy. Oh my God, bro.
Yeah.
Yup, and doing little mini burnouts on the way here. Yup. Yeah, you down to do one? No balls. You ready? Let's do it. Watch her just yeet in here. Watch her just yeet. Look at, bruh. Oh my. Okay. Slow down, slow down. All right. Keep going. Keep going. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Hey, buddy. Don't kill me, bro. I was just yeeting in here, dude. There we go. Yup. So unfortunately, we couldn't find a 1/2-inch strap. What? Why are you laughing? You gotta teach him young, you know? You gotta make him. Is it too tight? You got this? Yeah. See, I broke it loose for you. You're good. You got this. No, don't. But don't bring it back because then it's gonna tighten. That's not a ratchet. It's just a bar. I'm gonna make her do this because, you know, I'm here to teach, you know what I'm saying? Teach him young. I'm gonna guide her through the process.
No, stop.
You're good, you're good. Oh, you're just gonna, you know, you could just take it like the socket and just take it off and just turn it with your hands. It's easier that way than doing it.
Tiny.
See, they never listen. They never listen. I'm gonna make her do it on the next one. How much you wanna bet she's gonna, oh my God, it is faster. It's always the rookies, dude.
Wait, you said what? You said do it.
Take that off of the bar. Okay.
This?
Yep. All right. Give it some oomph. No. Oh, no, not the whole thing. The whole thing. There it is. All right, and then put that down. Put this down, and then just connect it back to the extension. All right, and if it's loose enough, it should just tighten with your. You can loosen it with your hands. So put this here instead of doing that. Look and see. Look, you're getting all dirty. Work smart, not hard, you know what I mean? And there you go, you do that. See?
Look,
dude?
okay, but I'm trying to get my...
See? Wow, you see?
Stop.
See? Look, watch, you do it on the other one. You're tripping, it's your first time modding a car. Look at you. Go, get that wheel off. Go, you got this. Oh, dang. All right, see? All right. Now, as a safety practice, what I like to do personally is put the wheel under, so that way if the car falls, it's gonna fall on the rim and not straight to the ground.
What do you mean under?
Like, lay it flat. Other way? Well, I think people do it that way too, but whatever. Just put it like this side facing up. Other side. Oh, yeah. And then just okay. Is it heavy? You got it? Okay. Yeah, there we go. And just slide that hoe under there. Try not to scratch the rim as you do it. Oh, okay. Close enough. Let me help. Look, dirty hands, dude. Look at you. I'm proud of you. All right, so now we're gonna grab the new rotors that she's been having in the trunk of the car, sounding like dead bodies floating around. Dang, dude, you got your whole life back here. Jesus. Oh, you thought I wouldn't see this. Look at this. This is when you know you got a DE. Look at this. Oil in the back. Looks, but you know what? She's smart though. All right, let's look at. You got oil in the car. You know you got a DE. Dang. So now we gotta take off the caliper from. It's okay. Your car was a beater, regardless.
Not as much as yours, though.
No, all I need is a bumper. Chill. So now all we gotta do is take off this.
Wow.
What?
My foot.
What'd you do?
My foot.
Oh my god, bro. Dude, how, fam? Dude, why do you have a lug nut in your shoe? Alright, so now we just gotta take off this caliper. What's wrong with you? We need to take off this caliper, and then there's I believe just a bracket. I don't remember, but I know once I go through it, it's gonna be pretty cut and dry. You're just dying. She's out. She needs milk. And this is also simple, but again, I'm gonna make her do it. I'll probably see if she can break it loose. If she can't, you know, I'll be back on camera. So leave it to big boy Shimmy to make me look like a big old hoe, because I was struggling for like a hot, like 5 minutes, like that. Shimmy just comes and just starts breaking the bolts loose. Yeah. You got that Nordic blood in you, that's why. Thank you, Shimmy. I hate you, Shimmy, but thank you, Shimmy. Damn it, way to make me look like a hoe so fast. Thank you, dude. All right. And now you just should be able to just take that caliper right off. Be careful, because it's also connected to the line, so you don't want to like do it too much. Give it one of those, like a little hit like that. Keep doing it, there we go. And now it's coming off. Okay, there we go. Now find a spot to rest the caliper. You're like, where? Not there, not on the rotor, you gotta take it off.
I know it's off.
Oh, okay. No, it's not, you gotta lift it up a little bit. Okay, now find a place where you can rest that thing. Be careful you're a hard line. So
where, I don't know where.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to help with this part. I make sure it's not stupid hot.
It's not hot.
Okay. Oh god, okay.
That thing was rubbing against the rotor.
Yeah, we gotta push your pistons back. So, because especially with the new brake pads, that part's gonna be interesting. So, all right, so we got her some nice Z1 rotors. All right, don't touch your hands are greasy as hell. Try not to touch the front. Okay. Yep, it's heavy. Let's slide that in there. Okay, go ahead, slap that in there. You got this. Okay. You need to reset the pistons, so the brake pads are like, think about it like this, like the brake pads are like this, and the pistons, your rotor's like, oh my lord. So I'm helping her take off the pads, you know, whatever, like, I'm like, oh wait, this brake pad's not that bad, it has life, bruh, what the hell is that? Babe, what the hell is that? Dude. Oh my, bruh. And you were like, why is my thing making noise?
Okay, but I haven't.
Oh my lord. Well, now we know why. So, nice, dude. Killing it, dude. Hell yeah.
Ladies, do not get your brake pads that way.
Yeah.
Don't get that bad.
Jeez.
Lesson learned.
All right, shout out to Advanced Auto Parts messing up, giving us the wrong brake pads, but about 2 hours later, finally got the right ones, and we're gonna slide these bad boys back in. She's gonna learn, and we're just gonna knock out the fronts for today, and we'll do the rears. Oh my god, I almost dropped your brake pads. Here, take these. We are gonna just knock these out now. We'll do the rears like next week before the meet or something, so yeah. Y'all. You trying to fan me? Yeah, so I went ahead and just helped out with putting it back together, but I'm gonna let her do the other side 100%, see how much you've retained information-wise, and we should be good. So, all right, one down, one more to go. We'll do the other two, like I said, next weekend, right before the meet. And hopefully there's no issues like wrong brake pads being sold. Even though I work at Z1 and I should have just got the brake pads from work, but for some reason we didn't. Yeah. You got them? You remember? You got it? Is it too tight?
It is.
Yeah, because last one was pretty crazy. Try smacking it. Yeah, give it a smack. Like don't force it. Smack it because you don't want to strip the bolts.
Okay, but my smacks are gonna go.
Okay, let me try and see if I can break it for you. All right, looks like you already took off one bolt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dang, dude, she out here wrenching, dog. Dang. Okay. And just remember, when you take it off, it's, oh look, you still have your caps. That's nice. Look at that. Look at that. You still have them? Fancy. Just remember, the caliper might come loose when you take that one off, so just when you're doing it, hold on to it. All right, so she got the old eBay rotor off. Dude, these things are, yeah, look how you already laugh, but yeah, these things are, they're not the highest quality. Like, there's a lot of rust on them. So, I mean, it's on the hub, it's not a big deal, but it's better just to get like a higher quality rotor. Make sure you're safe. Yeah, there we go. Good job, you're remembering. That's how I push out the pins. God, teach him young, man. I'm telling you. All right, Shimmy out here talking about like he pushes the pistons back in by hand. I don't do that. I usually have a tool for it. Dang, girl. Jesus, don't ruin them first day. But yeah, I usually don't do that. I usually have a tool that presses them in, but unfortunately we don't have it here today. And here's rotor number 2. Are you dying? Are you okay? Breathe.
It was like,
Don't. I'm like, thump. I'm like, oh my god, this girl already ruining rotors before even they get on. They're heavy, so be careful. Alright, but she did that like 95% herself, so hold on to it tight, don't drop it. Let's bring this thing back on. Girl, put it down.
wait.
There we go. I was like, they literally go in the hole. Alright, now put your caliper back on top. Push the rotor all the way in. There it is. Caliper on top. Alright. Jeez.
Everything's just getting caught in my shoes.
Jeez, bro. How do you get a... Bruh. How's this getting stuck on your shoes? We're gonna get this back on, and yeah, let's get the bolts back in there, and I'll reset the pistons, and then we can get the pads back on and all that. All right, well, there she goes. She did her side, and it's about to get bolted on. And then we're gonna bed in the brakes, which a lot of people forget to do. A lot of people call me like, oh, my rotor's warped. Well, bed the brakes, and you'll be fine. But yeah, Z1 rotors. Pretty easy to install, not bad. Even a rookie like Bella could do it. But I'm proud, that's awesome. It's like, you gotta teach people. When I first started working on cars, I didn't know anything. Things like this would have scared me, and I went to a shop to do mine. Dude, it's not that serious. All you need is a couple of basic tools, and you can literally get it done. So, I'm happy to see someone becoming self-sufficient. Yeah. Heavy breathing intensifies. All right, so she did it. She did it. And rotors are on, and now we gotta back this thing out, bed in the brakes. Should be fun. I can't wait for this part. This part's gonna be exciting. Oh, that belt. Oh, okay. Okay. They grow up so fast. Yeah, don't eat it. Slowly. Slowly. Okay, you did it. Good job. Got a casing over here. This thing's... Oh, okay. Now's the fun part. So let's bed in these brakes. And this is the first time she's done like anything like this, so it's gonna be entertaining. Seatbelt on? All right, good, because we're gonna need it. All right, no weird noises or anything? Does it feel...
You know, changed up my mirror. Yeah, no. I definitely...
Feel a difference? You don't hear it? It doesn't sound like two robots like trying to fornicate?
Stop.
This is good. All right, get it up to 40 and then just stop. I would get it, go faster. You gotta get to 40. Okay. Put it in neutral.
What the?
Stop. Hard. Stop. Stop. Okay. All the way to 0. There we go. Do it again.
This is scary.
Yep. But you gotta stomp harder than that. Okay. Get to 40 fast. All right. When you're in a safe spot. Okay. Put it in neutral and just stop. See? So all the way to 0, don't roll. There we go. Do it again. Quicker than that. Alright, neutral, stop. All the way, all the way. You see how you're relaxing at the end? Don't do that. All the way. Balls deep, babe. Balls deep. Alright. All the way. Go faster, faster. Alright, neutral, stop. All the way. There we go. You keep relaxing at the end, but you're good. So first, so first time bedding in brakes. How do you feel?
It was scary, but it was fun.
But yeah, so we're done here. So I'm gonna end the video here. What will happen?
Oh, I was like, is my headlight back on? But
No, it's still ghetto. No matter what you do.
Okay, our cars are ghetto together.
Oh yeah. You can't really see them great now, but I'll try to get another video of them later and when we do the rears. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna also tag Bella. And there's a lot more cool things going on, I think.
Yep.
What's in it? Oh yeah, because I got you another mod for your birthday, but we gotta put that. Do you have it right now?
What?
The mod that I got you?
Yeah.
Don't say it. You have it right now?
Mm-hmm.
Do we have time to put it on?
I don't know.
Huh. Maybe. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow us both. I love you. Stay blessed. See you guys in the next one. You can do the hand thing? You can do the hand thing?
What?